In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export Microsoft Word to PowerPoint. We'll take a Word document and send it straight into PowerPoint so your content becomes ready-made slides. This works best when your document uses Word's built-in heading styles because those styles tell PowerPoint what should become a slide title and what should appear as slide content. Start by opening Microsoft Word and the document you want to convert. Make sure everything you need is visible and saved so any changes you make are preserved. Next, select all the text in your document. Apply the Heading To style to that selection. You can do this from the Home tab by choosing Heading To in the Styles group. Marking most content as Heading To signals that this text is intended to appear as slide content in PowerPoint. Now highlight your main title or the top level headings you want to become slide titles and change those to Heading 1. Think of Heading 1 as the slide title and Heading 2 as the text that will sit under that title. This simple structure gives PowerPoint a clean outline to work with and helps keep slides organized. Look toward the very top of Word for the small drop-down arrow on the toolbar. That menu controls the Quick Access toolbar, a handy place to keep commands you want one click away. Open that drop-down and choose More Commands to bring up the Word Options window for customizing the Quick Access toolbar. In the Choose Commands from drop-down, switch to All Commands so you can see every available command in Word. The list is long, so take your time and scroll through it. You're looking for Send to Microsoft PowerPoint. When you find it, select it, then click Add to move it to the list on the right, which represents the commands that will appear on your Quick Access toolbar. Click OK to confirm your changes and close the window. Word will now use your heading structure to send the document to PowerPoint. Depending on the size and complexity of your file, this can take a moment, so wait until it's fully loaded. When PowerPoint opens, you'll see slides created from your Heading 1 titles, with the Heading 2 text placed as content on those slides. A few quick tips as you review. If a slide looks crowded, consider splitting long sections back in Word before exporting again, or tidy them up directly in PowerPoint. Remember that clean, consistent headings in Word produce the best results in PowerPoint. And once your presentation is generated, you can apply a theme or adjust layouts to match your brand. That's it. Your Word document is now a PowerPoint deck, ready to present.